I've been sent one of these photo sticks and I'm really excited about using it. This clever device can plug into any device like Apple, iOS, Android, smartphones, tablets, computers to back up your photos and videos instantly. It comes with a really good app, which we'll get into in a minute, which lets you control exactly how you want to use it. So first of all, out of the box is the actual memory stick. You've got the logo on the front, and if I turn it over, it's got the actual size. This is the 128 gigabyte size. It comes in other sizes, big as 256, etc. You've got a nice lid on the front to protect the USB connector, and then this plugs into this main connector. Now this over here will be compatible with all the devices. You've got your USB-A, you've got your Thunderbolt, and you've got your USB-C to be fully compatible. And then your stick will just plug into here, and it just clicks into place, and there you go. And that will stick straight into your device for instant backup. So first of all, you need to download and install the PhotoStick app. You can get it on Android or iOS. I'm just going to click install. And once it's installed, just open it and let's run it. And now you can see your face with this interface, and you just follow the instructions to get started. Click get started, read through the tips, click next. And as you can see, it starts playing a video that you can just follow along with really easily.
Tap the blue get started button.
Going to skip that for now. And now I'm going to connect up the actual device. I want to use the USB-C, and I want to keep it in the stand as well. And it's great that it's got this like little gap on the bottom, because I can actually get the USB-C and just click it into place like this. So now it's fit firmly while it's in my stand. So with the PhotoStick firmly in place, we're going to connect the actual device. Just click the connect button. And you can go through, you get to your interface, and what you want to do is you want to go up to the menu at the top here and select PhotoStick. What I recommend doing is watching that help video. It's really good, and you can watch it as many times as you want, and then just scroll down, just click use this folder and click allow. Easy as that. Permissions needed, okay, and you just click allow permissions and then click back again. And we are connected. It's as easy as that. So you may be asked for some more permissions. Just make sure you click allow all, and you'll get to this home screen, which you can also click the home button here. Now you can see this app is really comprehensive. It's got a lot of options. You might want to start at the top, backup files. Now it says we recommend you do this step first. It depends how many files you've got, videos, etc. You've got import files. There's option copies files from Google Photos to your PhotoStick. You can scan files. I haven't even tried that yet. And then you can go into view files, where once you've got files copied over, you'll see them here. And click back to home. You've got manage files, you've got overview, so you can click in manage files. It's got cleanup files, restore files, reset people as well. It's very comprehensive. You can even order prints. Now I don't know what this overview button does. Oh, it gives you your history, your storage, your last backup dates, all sorts of things. So it's very involved. And I recommend also going into your settings as well to choose you're happy with them. You've got language options. You can even connect to Google Photos directly with third-party integration. So obviously I can't go over everything in this quick overview video, but let's just try one of the things now. Let's try backing up files. It says we recommend do this first. Now you're faced with another interface, and it says you can back up all files, back up selected files, and you can even select different file types like JPEG, movie files, etc. that you might want included or decluded. So let's just do backup selected files. And then you can see you've got all your pictures from your camera, your phone, or whatever, if you've got a card or etc. in there. And I've taken some pictures of just like my computer. So let's just select these three, and I'm going to click backup now. Your backup will begin in 3, 2, 1. Done. Backup. And a nice little cool animation as well. How cool is that? There you go. You've got easy backup. We've saved 3 of 3 files, and then you go, it says you did it, total storage use, backup complete. And now we can view those files, and there they are. They're actually backed up now to the device here, which you can take away and plug in other devices. So let's see if we can see them. Yeah, you can even scroll through. So you can see that the app is a massive selling point of this product. It's absolutely brilliant. I can now just take the device out, put it away safe, even put it in another device, share it around. But I really recommend going through the app, exploring all the different options. I mean, here you've got move to album, rename, share, you can add tags. It's really involved. Just have a play, have fun, really good product, and highly recommended.